Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we will start new chapter 3, nouns number. What are nouns number? See, we refer to countability of a noun by number. And there are two kinds of nouns number. The first one is singular and the second one is plural. Which means कि nouns की जो count को हम refer करते हैं उसे ही nouns number कहते हैं कि nouns कितने हैं, एक है या एक से ज़्यादा. इसी बेसिस पे इंग्लिश ग्रामर में टू काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन्स होते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज सिंगुलर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज प्लूरल. ओके, लेट्स रीड फर्दर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सिंगुलर नंबर. A noun that is one in number is called singular number, which means a noun that represents a single or one person, place, animal or thing is called singular noun. Okay? For examples, that is my almirah. Here we are talking about only one almirah. ये मेरी अलमीरा है. That means कि I am talking about only one almirah. ओके, एक ही अलमीरा है जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. सो दैट्स वाई अलमीरा वर्ड हेयर इज़ अ सिंगुलर नंबर हेयर. टैगोर was a great poet. A great poet, which means here we are talking about only one person. Okay. Next up, that is my school bus. We are talking about only one bus, and which is my school bus. Okay. She is a beautiful girl. A beautiful girl means एक ही लड़की जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. विच मीन्स द नाउन नंबर इज सिंगुलर हेयर. ओके, सो ऑल द हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स एज लाइक अलमीरा, अ पोएट, बस, अ गर्ल, दीज ऑल आर in singular numbers because they are single in number. They are one. ठीक है, let's move on. What is plural number? A noun that is more than one in number is called plural number. Simply, a noun that represents more than one person, place, animal or thing is called plural noun. तो एक से ज़्यादा जो भी चीज़ें, वस्तु, व्यक्ति या स्थान, ये जो नाम होते हैं उन्हें प्लूरल नंबर्स कहते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, दोज आर अलमीराज. हेयर अलमीराज विच मीन्स कि देर आर मोर देन वन अलमीराज. यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा अलमीरा की बात की जा रही है. टैगोर एंड शेक्सपियर आर दी पोएट्स. नॉट टैगोर एंड शेक्सपियर विच मीन्स टू पर्सनस आर देयर, विच मीन्स मोर देन वन पर्सन. तो एक से ज़्यादा पोएट की बात की जा रही है. That's why the word poets has been used here, which is a plural number. Okay, those are my school buses, which means here we are talking about more than one buses. More than one buses यानी कि एक से ज़्यादा buses के बारे में बात की जा रही है. Okay, so here the word, the noun buses is plural number here. They are beautiful girls, which means we are talking about more than one girl. Girls is the plural number of the singular number girl. Okay, now there are certain rules which we have to follow for forming the plural singular to plural. Okay, the first one is, it's very general rule that we add only s to the noun and it will become plural. Okay, for example, pen, we add s and it will become pens. Book, books. Phone, phones. Eye, eyes. Bed, beds. Wall, walls. Teacher, teachers. Road, roads. House, houses. Which means here the words generally we have to add only s to the word to make it plural. एक पेन, पेन. एक से ज़्यादा पेन, पेन्स. वन बुक, बुक. मोर देन वन बुक, बुक्स. ओके, एंड सो ऑन. यू हैव टू लर्न इट. द नेक्स्ट वन, टर्न ओवर द पेज. सेकेंड रूल इज by adding es. Okay, the second rule is we can form the plural numbers of a singular number by adding es to the word. When we add es, when we have the hish sound or the words that end with s, double s, sh, ch and x, we have to add es to the word to make it, to form it to the plural. Okay, for examples, glass, it ends on s, correct? So we have to add es to make it plural. Glass, glasses. Bus, it ends on s, we have to add es to it to form it plural. Buses. Brush, it ends on sh, so we have to add es to it to make it plural. Brush, brushes. Bench, it ends on ch, which means we have to add es to it and the plural will be benches. Fox, it ends on x, which means we have to add es to it to form it plural, and the plural number of fox would be foxes, and so on. Box, boxes. Class, classes. Watch, watches. Mango, mangoes. Here some words ends on o, so we have to add es to that to make it plural, as like tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Cloth, clothes. Wish, wishes. Okay. Next rule is by adding ies. The word which ends on y, we have to replace the y to ies to make it plural, as like baby. Baby ends on, the word ends on y, so we will replace y to ies to make it plural, and the word will be babies. The plural form of baby is babies. City, cities. Story, stories. Army, armies. Fairy, fairies. Cherry, cherries. Okay. The next rule is by adding ves. Now remember that some words which ends on f or fe, we have to replace the fe or f with ves to make it to plural. Okay, as like wife. Here we replace fe with ves. Okay, to make it to plural. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Loaf, loaves. Calf, calves. Life, lives. Shelf, shelves. Half, halves. Okay. Now next rule is by changing internal vowels. So there are some nouns which have the exception of the above discussed rules, which means ऐसे भी nouns हैं जो ऊपर बताए गए जो rules हैं उनको follow नहीं करते, बल्कि ये exceptionals होते हैं और we have to keep that in mind. We have to learn their plural forms. Okay, and we can do that by doing the practice. The more we practice, the more we learn, the more it would be easier for us to write the plurals of the singular numbers. Okay, the first one is man. Here we will change the internal vowels, as like man has a vowel in it, we will change it to e and it will be men. Okay, man. What is the plural of man? Men. What is the plural of woman? Women. What is the plural of ox? Oxen. What is the plural of child? Children. And so on. Mouse, mice. Remember, mouse means only one mouse, which means एक चूहा. Mice means more than one mouse, which means एक से ज़्यादा चूहे. ठीक है. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Louse, lice. Okay, as like tooth means only one tooth, एक दांत. But teeth means सारे दांत. Okay. So I hope you have understood the chapter. What are nouns numbers? There are two nouns numbers, singular and plural. Singular, that is one in number, as like a poet, a girl, a bus, and plural, which means the nouns that is more than one in number. Okay, which means two poets, buses, girls, and so on. Okay, so revise this chapter and learn the definition of singular and plural nouns. I'll see you in next class. Thank you.